Hi, how you doing? This video is a brief video on how to make a boot board for your Jeep Renegade. Here in the UK, for some reason, they don't come with the higher boot board. It's got the deep one. It doesn't. Mine doesn't have a spare wheel in it, so it's got this extra space. I would prefer to have the board higher so my dog can look out the window. He prefers that when traveling, and it will create a little nice bit of hidden space underneath for me to keep some valuables and a few other little things like that. Not drugs, in case that's what you're wondering right now, or dead bodies. Actually, maybe you weren't thinking about that one. Right. Anyway, joking apart, the so this is how I did it. I've got some dimensions for you. I searched online to find dimensions, couldn't find them anywhere. I just did it myself, made a template, and off we went. So this is how to do it. Right, this is the raised floor bed that I've made for my Jeep Renegade. Made a cardboard cutout of the rough dimensions. So that's my Renegade there. What you'll need is a board that's 730 mils deep and 955 mils long. Okay, and I recommend 10 mil ply. I'm using 2 sheets of 5, which is why I've got the Gorilla Glue. I'm just going to glue them together in a minute. It's worked out quite well with the 5 because I've made this edge correct, and in doing so it's not quite right at that edge, so, and I know the edge of the second piece up there is correct, so I'm going to glue them slightly skew width, if that makes sense, and that will give them strength and it will make it fit better as well. And then I will carpet it with car carpet and spray glue, and the job's a good one. A little finger hole there just to lift it up. It's all rough. I don't really care about the fine touches. I'm not selling it or anything. It's just for my dog to sit in and he can get a better view. And then I'm going to cut a square out there to set a box in. That'll stop it sliding around. Dog will have that space there, and then I can store stuff underneath, like my camera, my drone, and valuables like that when left apart. So there you go. Okay, just gluing it now. A few heavy objects and clamped. Half an hour gluing time. As I say, that's sitting on each other unevenly, but that's not a bad thing because of the lip underneath that it sits on. Okay, so it's not perfect. It's not going to be a perfect fit, but once it's carved and stuff, it'll look fine. Right. Okay, follow me out here. I am quite pleased. That is me. What I have achieved here. So that's the board all done. Fitted in place. I think you would be right in thinking what a professional job I've done. So basically 10 mil ply, covered it with vehicle carpet, just glued it down there. What I've done is I've made, there's quite a flap in this bit. I've made quite a lot of it sticking out, so I haven't done it tightly, so that when I put the box, that Stanley box over there, into this space, it should hold it better. And also then deep under there I've got room to hide my equipment, my drone stuff and valuables, and that should keep it out of sight. That's what it looks like. Very pleased with it. Right, finally this is it all in place, and so now that holds it nice and firmly. So the wheels embedded in there, and then if I just want to take it out, lift it up, and out it comes. So I can put all my drone safety equipment in there and have it ready at all times. Tidy up the back of the car. I'm going to get a dog guard, get rid of this as well. There you go.